So this one says write the equation of a line of the given points in slope-intercept form. So again, when we're given 2 points, the point-slope form seems to be a good place to start. And then we could transfer over to the slope-intercept form. So in our problem, since we're given 2 points, we can use the slope formula to find the slope of the line. So again, the change in the y's. So y2 minus y1, so 5 minus 5, if you will. There's no change, that means it's 0. And then 5 minus 4. So 0 over 1. Remember, 0 over 1 is 0, because if you start with 0 and divide it into one person, that person still just gets 0. So that is a value. So the slope is 0. Remember, that also represents a horizontal line. So this graph would be horizontal if you graphed it. Now remember, horizontal lines are defined by the equation y equals the y coordinate. So a quick way to do that is just simply say, well, y is always going to equal 5. So that would be a quick way of doing it. Now, if you wanted to, you could continue on with the point slope formula. So you could pick one of these points. So you could call this x1, y1 up here. And you'd have y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So you'd have y minus 5 equals, the slope was 0 times x minus 4. So you have y minus 5 equals, and remember, when you multiply by 0, this all just turns to 0. To solve for y, the 5 you just add 5 to both sides of the equation to 0 that out. And notice how it does just give you y equals 5. Something else you can make a note on is, if the slope is 0, it's a horizontal line. Therefore, the equation of the line is just going to be y equals the y coordinate. Because the y coordinate, notice how it was the same. It's never going to change. So the line is going to be defined by its y value, y equals 5. So that's going to be C as our answer. That'd be our answer to that question.